This is our 2010 10-plate Ford Fiesta Titanium, and it's the 1.6 TDCi turbo diesel engine. It's finished in white, and it's also got the Zetec S Body kit. Titanium comes with the front fog lights. This one's got the gloss black alloy wheels. Inside it has electric windows, auto lights, and it has electric Powerfold wing mirrors. It's got the multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls. It's covered just over 66,000 miles. It has the push button keyless start, Bluetooth telephone connectivity, climate control, USB and auxiliary input. The interior of the car, as you can see, is in very clean condition. There's no rips or tears to the interior. There's no signs of any smoking in the car. Alloy wheels are all in good condition. The same applies to the rear bumper, and the boot area is all clean and tidy. Comes with a parcel shelf. We've got the large Zetec S rear spoiler. The car has a full service history. And it has a MOT which runs through till June 2019 with no advisories. It's a very clean car. This is only £20 road fund licence. As you can see, it's also got the darkened rear glass. And as part of the used car checks, it's just had new front brake discs and pads and 2 new rear tyres. You can see here the service history, and there is receipts and invoices for all of these that are handwritten.